Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from JazzTime once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Oyster Perpetual Datejust 41 in an Oyster steel, featuring the Azzurro blue dial and the Jubilee bracelet. And hold up, you're probably wondering, how does a Datejust have a diamond bezel? Well, that is because this is an aftermarket placed bezel. That means we had a customer who actually specifically requested this model with this color, these Roman numerals, this bracelet with the diamond bezel, as opposed to the original smooth bezel, as you can see here. This smooth bezel was originally right there, but as you can see, now it is made of diamonds. Now these diamonds were actually mined from the earth, not manufactured in a laboratory. So if you'd like to take a 15-20 power loop, or even stronger, to observe all the diamonds, you may. But for the purposes of this video, we're not going to do that. Every time we do get a request for an aftermarket bezel, we do have the readouts available to ensure that it does maintain that superior water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. The function is exactly the same. It has the, winding crown monoblock middle case. Setting the time is exactly the same. Simply unwind the crown. First position winds the watch. Second position allows you to change the date by rotating it clockwise. And third position stops the second hand and allows you to move the minute hand for precise timekeeping. All right, and pressing it back up against the case and screwing it back on ensures that superior water resistance. The movement is the 3235 Rolex movement made in-house with the ±2 seconds per day second per day time differential. After casing, as per usual, it has the oscillator, the paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring with high performance Paraflex shock absorbers, so you can wear this anywhere with no fear of changing the time just by smacking into something or even getting close to a magnet. It does have the 70-hour power reserve, so you can set this down on a Friday evening, pick it up on a Monday morning, ready to conduct business with no need to wind the watch. And as stated earlier, this bracelet is made with the Jubilee style bracelet with the folding Oyster clasp. Simply lift the top to open it. It has the EasyLink 5mm comfort extension. So this is with it open and with it closed. So you can adjust the bracelet for 5mm depending on your hydration levels throughout the day. All right, now we can try this on. And you can see it fits just nicely. Now notice that the bezel does sort of flare outward, but there's still a very low profile actually to this bezel, so there's no fear of it catching onto, my jacket sleeve or anything. And it works just fine. All right, and looking at the Roman numerals, it's very befitting to have this diamond bezel because it just shows higher class, higher status, and it's just a better presentation overall, especially with that deep royal blue with that sunburst look. So depending on your lighting situation, you can see a very dark blue, as you can see on the bottom right around the 5 and 6 o'clock positions, or the lighter sun rays around like the 2 and the 7 and 8 o'clock positions. So yeah, what are your thoughts on this watch? Does this look just absolutely stunning? Would you want your Datejust 41 to be modified with a beautiful handset diamond bezel? Let us know down in the comments below. And if you want to purchase this or any other watch, or have your watch modified with this sort of bezel, let us know down in the comments below. Visit us at jazztime.com and you can purchase it there, or any other watch really. All right, and have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.